Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your week 4 screencast video. Kind of a light week in discussion board activity. Purpose is for you to set aside some time to be working on the annotated bibliography that is due Tuesday the 12th. So we have a little bit, about 9 days left on that. The only discussion board is the triad initial post. Let me get to the discussion boards here. Discussion board number 7 is the triad. Oh, excuse me, somebody's already posted here. And discussion, reading kind of a post here about using sources responsibly and the note taker's triad, which is summarizing, paraphrasing, and quoting. So that was it. Kind of should be a pretty short and sweet post. Let me get to the modules here for the week 4 module. Okay. Remember now, we want to be sure to be aware of all the requirements in the annotated bibliography. Got a couple of examples there. Have the 4 categories explained. 6 sources to 8 sources is the minimum. Be aware, I'm looking for the minimum. You can see the extent of this activity by looking at the samples. Also in the building of an annotated bibliography, the what's an annotation is got an instructional video here. It's a 3-part process, which is demonstrated in the examples of the annotated bibliography here. So that being said, if you have any questions or issues about this week's activities, whether it be the discussion board or the upcoming EAB, look for a little bit more information in the lecture video about midweek. Thank you. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Good luck.